Our project, Rugby Club, to extend the Bala Lake Railway into the town of Bala has been over 12 years in the making. In 2024, we were finally granted planning permission, but with that permission came 25 conditions that we've had to discharge. I'm pleased to say that finally we've done it, and we're waiting for the final sign-off from the Snowdonia National Park to allow us to actually start construction. Natural Resources Wales did a massive upgrade of the flood defences of the town. And while they were doing that work, such was their support for us that they varied the design to incorporate a future railway. That means that already the civil engineering works for a third of the route is done and track ready. As I stand here today, I'm looking at the next stage of construction. And that is to build an embankment from the end of the flood defences here all the way down to the approach to the new station. We already have the detailed specification for this embankment, and we're about to go out to tender. This is very exciting. We are ready to go. Once this embankment is built, we will actually be able to begin track laying from down by the entrance to the new station all the way up to where I'm standing now and right the way along to the end of the new flood defences. That will be over half the extension. So far, we've raised over £1.8 million. That has all gone towards land acquisition, surveys, reports, all needed to get us to this pivotal point. Our latest appeal is to raise money for the embankment and the track to go on it. We've already raised £110,000 and we need a further 300 to cover that cost. Once we've got the money, the whole project, this part of the project, can be done in 12 months. The really good news is that from now on, every penny that is donated goes towards actually building the extension. We're very grateful for all the support that we've had up until now. Please spread the word and continue that support through to the finish. To make a donation, you can either use the QR code at the bottom of the screen, or you can go to our website, www.balalakerailwaytrust.org.uk. Thank you very much.